Hi, and welcome to the Ultimate App Maker. We're really excited for you to join us here. We've been making some really great apps with this software, and we know you're going to as well. The point of this video is I want to take you through a quick walkthrough of the Ultimate App Maker, show you the important areas to go, how to navigate the site, and most importantly, how to use the software. So let's get started. So on the main page here at the very top is going to be where you're going to start from. You've got sign in, we have the training area, and we have support tickets. So sign in, this is where you're going to go to click into the app maker, sign in and make changes to your apps and launch new apps. We've got the training area, which has videos for how to basically use every single part of the app maker, how to implement ads, how to use templates, how to do games, business apps, how to convert your website. Everything is going to be inside the training area. And then we have support tickets. So this area, if you have any technical errors with your app, if you're having any issues with anything, send us a support ticket here. Click on support ticket and we'll be able to reply to you as soon as possible. So let's get going here. What we're going to do, we're going to sign in. Click on the sign in button. I'm already logged in here, so I'm just going to click into here. And first thing you're going to do is it's going to ask you to log in. I'll show you what that screen looks like. Hit sign in. This is it here. You got your username, enter your password, log in obviously. Okay. So like I said, I'm already logged in. So the first thing we got two areas that are most important. We have templates and my apps. So the templates are obviously going to be all the templates to start building apps, and my apps is going to be every app that you've built here. It's going to show everything here. So we've got a list of all our apps. We can go in and edit, make changes to all these different apps, send push notifications, do everything. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're actually going to start from scratch here. We're going to build a brand new app. I'm going to show you how to, first of all, how to choose and use a template area. So at the top, click templates. Again, this is going to take us to all the templates that we have, and we've got a ton. We've got over 300 different templates for you guys to get started on, and anything from games, business apps, to everything. So you can see just some of the templates here. On the left-hand side, we've got the navigation bar of what kind of apps we want to build. So we have restaurants and bars. Here's some of our popular restaurant app templates, and you can click right on these images to blow it up. If you want to choose one of these, we just hit select. Okay, so again, we've got a ton of different restaurant templates here, pubs and everything. Okay, on the left hand side, we've got businesses, entertainment, design, events, causes, everything. We've got games, we've got a ton of different game apps here, 7 pages of different games. So these are the most latest games. Everything we launch brand new is going to be at the top and then goes down in order. So you're going to be able to check some of these out. Now, if you're just on the trial edition here, you're not actually going to be able to access the premium games. Anything that says premium here, unfortunately, that's going to be for the paying members only. But you're able to check it out and see what we have available. There are going to be free and basic templates. If you're having trouble locating them, you can just do a search in the top bar here. We can do basic, or we can type in free. And this will take you to all the different free templates. So these are the different templates you can use and get started with, and start messing around with this app and checking out how the app maker actually works. So that's how to use the template section. Let's go ahead and I'm going to actually launch one of these game apps, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually take a game app and launch it. Okay, so this is Infinity here. This is going to be based on that new popular game called Color Switch. It's got about like 75 million downloads. It's ridiculous. Anyways, this is a kind of a remake of that game. Let's click on select and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so this is loaded up here, and we can actually take this game for a quick little trial run here right through the screen. We can hit play game, hit the play button here, and all you do is you just click on the mouse. Obviously on your phone you would tap the button, and we want to get it through this this maze here. So it's a very simple game, but the fact is these are really popular on the app stores. You can implement your own ads and get started. So let's go ahead, let's choose this template. Okay, this is where we would name the template. Let's just call it game app. Hit create. No spaces, we can't put a space there. Okay, let's hit create. And here's where we're going to be able to pick which app maker we want to, which device and which software. So we've got iPhone, iPad, Android, Kindle, web app. Let's go ahead and keep it for iPhone. Hit next. And now this is going to be what kind of tabs you want to have. If you want to have no tabs, if you want to have standard tabs, these are just automated tabs we have with the game. or custom tabs. So this one obviously has no tabs automatically, so we're going to choose that one. But you can go ahead and put any other tabs you wanted if you want to customize that. I'm just going to go through this really quickly here, but with this next step here, we've got content style, the theme, so you can see the primary color, we can change that here. We've got content style, we're not going to need any of these for this app. Here is where we're going to upload our app icon. This game already comes with an app icon, it's ready to go. Splash screen, again it comes with a splash screen, but we would be able to change it here. And then the different pages that are on this app. We're not going to mess around with that right now. We're going to hit done and we're going to move forward. This game, like I said, it's ready to launch right out of the box. What you could do is change the graphics if you wanted, and that's really easy to do. We've got a video in the training area showing you exactly how to do that. Okay, so from this app here, what we can do is we can go to edit pages. You have content us and more games we want to edit. So let's click on edit pages. Okay, and you can see the different pages we have here. So index, this is the home page that we're looking at right now. Tab 2, that's going to be the game. Okay, we have tab 3, which is the contact us page, and tab 4, which is the more games option. Okay, so let's go to tab 3. Let's go ahead and quickly just change it. So we go to edit. Okay, so I didn't want to edit. Delete that. So I just hit done. Anything, if you make a mistake, just hit done, and that's it. So go back to edit. Okay, so we got the target email address. That's going to be mine. Okay, so at UltimateAppMaker. This way, anybody that sends a contact form, it's going to be emailed to me directly at josh@UltimateAppMaker.com. Okay, we can choose the confirmation message, username, app ID, page ID. Just leave these the same, and you're good. So that's it. When they punch this information in, the name, the phone number, the address, the message, hit submit, it's going to email it to me directly. We hit save, and that's done. Okay, so that we're done here. Now, what we could do, like I said, this app is ready to go, ready to launch right out of the box, but what we could do is implement their own ads. Okay, so to do advertising, what we'd want to do is, I believe, application settings. Okay, and then down here we've got mobile ads. Okay, so allow this app to use an advertising identifier. Okay, so what we can do is we've got it integrated with 4 of the popular app advertising platforms. Okay, we have got Pullfish, we've got AdMob, DFP, which is DoubleClick for publishers, and RevMob. So what you would do is go to each of these sites. Typically you're going to use one ad service provider. AdMob is most popular. That one's owned by Google. And you're going to create your own account in AdMob, AdMob.com, and implement your ads here. Copy paste your ad units. And that's it. You would hit save and then done. And there you go. You've got advertising right set up, ready to go. Okay. Let's say we want to launch this game here. What we would do is we would just hit publish. Okay. Publish this app. We get sent the app file and we're ready to go. Okay. Now this other thing, once the app is published, we can actually go ahead and we can send push notifications. So here's the push notification area. Let this load. So what push notification is you know those alerts you get on your phone when you, let's say you download Candy Crush and you keep getting all these alerts on your phone, or you download another app and you just get updates on your phone. That's what the push notification is. So what we can do with this push notification is let people know when we've got our change, or let people know, hey, don't forget about us, open us up and play the game. Again, this is going to increase our revenue because we're going to be able to get more users playing our app. Okay, so we've got the push notification here. There's a few steps you're going to need to take to get push notifications set up. Again, we've got videos in the training area. Check those out. We need to upload our APN certificate. This is right from Apple, announcement page. But essentially what we would do is once we have all that set up, we would just say, check out our app. We made some changes. Right? And then we just hit push. That's it. It sends it to everybody. So it's waiting in queue. It'll go ahead and it'll send that. Okay, but obviously, like I said, we haven't set anything up here. we can't do that, but that's exactly how you send push notifications. Very easy, very, very easy. Okay, so that's how to do a game app. Again, once we have this app ready to go, we go to our apps here. Okay, go to my apps, and you'll be able to see the file here. Okay, so there it is, game app. So if we want to go ahead and make changes with this, we just go ahead and click into it. Okay, now what's great about this software and what makes it really powerful is now that we've added our own advertising, we've sent a push notification, built this app, is we can go ahead and we can duplicate it for Android. And it's just a one-click duplicate. So we click on duplicate right at the bottom here, click on that, and we can choose the device we want to create it for. iPad, Android. So again, let's do Android. Okay, and we hit duplicate. And that's it. It's created successfully. We'll hit done. Okay, and to find that app here, we're going to go to click on my apps. And there it is. The copy's right there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click into the edit pages one more time here for this Android app. I'm going to show you one more cool area here of how to add more pages to your app. We've got a ton of different features for the App Maker. It doesn't just stop on the templates. Let me show you how that is. So let's say we want to add more tabs here. Maybe we've got a Facebook page for this app. Maybe we have something else we want to put in here, calendar, or who knows. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to hit this plus sign, and this plus sign is going to allow us to take us to all the features and add-ons. Grid view, I like to click on grid view at the top here. Click on list view, you can see this is list view and this is grid view. Grid view shows you the photo of everything that's happening here. Okay, each of these things. So we've got different HTML page layouts. And the HTML page layout is great because if you know HTML, you can customize these any way you want. And I mean, they come standard. This is basically like a Word doc, different types of different Word docs. You can go in there, enter your image, enter your text, customize it however you want. Okay, we've got different menu layouts. So for different apps you want to do, we've got different menu layouts. You can see this one here, 6 circles, different pages for your app, different menu item here. We've got about 15 of these. We've got a side menu, so if you click on this little menu thing, the side menu opens up. Tons and tons of different menu options here. Okay, we've got audio streams, audio players, calculators, about us pages, again calendars, countdown timers. Scroll down a bit more. Got mortgage calculators. Okay, it does integrate with PhoneGap, so if you do know anything about PhoneGap, you can integrate those features with it. We've got announcements page, more calendar, integrates with Dropbox. Okay, like I said, what I want to do is I want to integrate with Facebook. Okay, you can integrate your website with this app as well. Okay, we got more audio player stuff. We got maps. If there's a map near me, we got check-in. Tons and tons of features here, guys. Okay, we got loyalty cards. Okay, but like I said, what I want to do is I want to do Facebook. Okay, so we'll type in Facebook at the top, and we can add our Facebook page. Hit next, and we'll add that page. Okay, and all we do is simply add Facebook page, Ultimate App Maker. We'll hit save. Okay, now you'll see at the top here it says go to Facebook.com. When you actually have a live app, it's going to actually take you to that Facebook page. This is just kind of because it takes so long, it's heavy on our servers, it just says go to Facebook.com. So we'll hit save, we'll hit done, and we've successfully added another page to the app. Okay, now what we need to do with index to get this Facebook page here, we would just hit edit. Okay, and we're going to add a page to this. So we want to go hit a plus sign. Okay, we just make this edit here. So we got Facebook, and then we just select this mobile Facebook page, hit save, and that's it. So we've added that new Facebook page right to the home screen of this game. So really easy to use this App Maker. Okay, so that's the App Maker there. Got it. Like I said, we got tons of training videos in the training area. I'm going to show you how to use that. Again, so what we do is right here at the training area, click on the home screen, go to training area. Okay, this is the training area, the get started area. You would have got emailed this information when you first signed up, and right here in video training. Click on video training, and we've got this is where all the video training is for everything you can imagine. Step by step through everything. We've got some premium templates coming here soon as well. One thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to register for a Google Play account and an Apple developer account. Okay, these are not through us. You're not paying us for these accounts. You actually have to sign up with Google and with Apple to become a developer. We've included links in the training area to help you get started. I believe Google is charging $25 for a one-time fee to become a developer, and Apple charges $99 a year. So what we typically recommend doing is start with Google. I mean, there's tons of people on Google. That way you pay $25, get some apps going, get some traffic going, and then when you slowly build your app portfolio up, you can start transferring over to the iPhone. Great way to get started. And again, if you have any issues, again, you're going to want to send a support ticket. Here in the training area, there's a link right here, support ticket, support down here, or at the home screen, we've got support ticket at the top. Anyways, we're really excited for you to join us here at the Ultimate App Maker. I hope this kind of explains a little bit about how the App Maker works. For more information about different things the App Maker does, feel free to check out these training videos, and we'll see you on the inside here, guys. Thanks for joining. See you soon.